Welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this video, I'm going to show you how you can keep your mushroom substrate bag moist so that you can harvest multiple times. The secret is simple. Keep it moist, water, and then sprinkle water actually, and then you can harvest multiple times like the ones I'm going to show you. Okay, look behind, you can see it there. I'm going to show you another method how you can keep it moist. In the first method I showed you, I told you how to use wet towel to keep it moist so that you can harvest multiple times. It helps the substrate to be moist and the mushroom will start to sprout in several places. And from this my experiment so far, I have noticed that the chemical additive has been helping, and it has been the bags always giving me mushroom. Okay, if you remember when I told you, I showed a video on how you can do mushroom from start to beginning. I marked this red to show the ones that have additive, and there's two substrate bags there that doesn't have this red mark, showing that I didn't add any additive to it. So this one has proven that adding additive helps a lot. Okay, so I'm going to show you how my second method of keeping my substrate bag moist. In that way, it will be sprouting more and you harvest multiple times. So let's dive into the video. So if you check my videos, you will see how to grow mushroom from start to finish, where I produced these 4 bags. And since then, this is the 5th time, if I'm not mistaken, that I will harvest. Okay, as you can see, this one is fully grown now. It's due for harvesting. And see the mark I'm telling you, this is the red mark. This is the red mark here. Okay, so in today's video, I'm showing you how to keep it moist. So this is another method I use. You see, I sprinkle water and then I cover with this nylon. Why I did this is because this one is open already. These ones are open already. I have harvested multiple times. Let me bring it closer so that you'll see it. I harvested multiple times here. You see, I harvested multiple times. So it needs to be moist because the nylon is exposed. It's not supposed to be exposed this way. If not, it will just dry up. So what I do is I sprinkle water on it. Just sprinkling. Okay, you see what I'm doing? I'm sprinkling water. I'm not pouring water. Okay, I'm not pouring water, I'm sprinkling water. So I'll cover with this nylon to keep it moist. You see, I cover with this nylon to keep it moist, and I sprinkle again on the nylon. So I will repeat this. I'll repeat this on the second one. You see, it's changing. The mycelium is circulating very well because it is moist. It's just a simple secret. Just keep it moist and you continue to harvest your mushroom. So you cover and sprinkle. So you can repeat this method morning and night, or once a day, as your strength can carry you. As your strength can carry you, you can multiply it. So thank you for watching. See you in my subsequent video. Bye bye.